Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix the Roblox screen glitch. So to do this, first, you want to open the Windows search and type on Roblox Player. Now you want to right-click Roblox Player and select on Open File Location. Now in the folder that opens, you want to right-click Roblox Player again. Select Open File Location one more time, and then you should now see the Roblox Player files. Now find Roblox Player Beta. Right-click it and select on Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab, and then enable Display Full Screen Optimization, and then click on Run this program as an administrator. Next, you want to click on Apply and then click on OK. Now right-click Roblox Player Beta again and open the Properties. Under the General tab, you want to find on Attributes. Now click Read Only, and then click Apply and then click on OK. Now launch Roblox again and check if the screen glitch is gone.